It starts with Gujarati, it moves to Hindi, Marathi, comes back to English. That's when a Welsh nurse comes in and then she's really upset. She's like, what's happening? Why are you all swearing so loudly? He's like, I bhadwa manas! I chutyo! Ghel chodyani gan! I su bolas tamne khabar chhe su!
Hello and welcome to another episode of Tis Ma Kasam, a show where you'll hear unreal stories from real people. Stories that make you go, Ma Kasam, ye sach hai.
माँ कसम कौन साथ कौन खिलाफ है माँ कसम कौन है भाई कौन सांप है माँ कसम भाई ताचारा रहे भाईचारा माँ कसम जो भी उसके जिम्मेदार सिर्फ
Welcome on stage, Ritika Wadgakar. Hello.
Hi.
Come. Ritika, welcome.
Hi.
Okay.
Thank you
can
for having me.
Yes. Can you introduce yourself in like 2 lines?
My name is Ritika, and like most of your audience, I am also here from Australia.
discount me like
Exactly.
No, we all planned this. Yeah.
Please exchange numbers. Huh? This is insane. Okay.
Yeah.
So in Australia, what do you do?
I worked in the higher education sector over there, so universities, but
We love high education.
yeah.
Most of my education was high.
That's why.
So when you say high, what did you like work in higher education? You were a teacher or
No,
like,
none of those smart things. I was
used to leak
in.
papers. What? All university papers leaked by me. Don't worry.
She's just standing
Yeah.
outside an Australian university going physics.
Sorry, you were saying you.
Fun fact: I never had one single exam when I was in Australia. I only
I'm
did
really
assignments.
intrigued what higher education in Australia is like.
नहीं वो crocodile पकड़ना होता है. That's spider.
No. I was working in student recruitment and marketing. So essentially, getting students from India to go to Australia.
Donkey.
That, but legal ways. Yes.
पानी में से आ रहे सब लोग.
Yes.
अरे हम लोग फ्लाइट के
Yes.
पैसे दे देते. अरे नहीं ऐसे आना है. Have to get the Australian experience.
Only legal.
पानी पी रहे crocodile.
Some of the Australians are like, हाँ, इसको देखा है.
Okay, so
Yeah.
Ritika, what is your story?
So
First. How do we know it's true? You have to do
माँ
math.
कसम, ये सच है.
माँ कसम, ये सच
Left
है.
हाथ से नहीं, right हाथ से.
Maybe
We take
I'm
it
a
very
lefty.
seriously.
Good catch.
Yes.
Do I have to do it again?
No.
अबे no क्या?
क्या time pass कर रहे हैं?
So this story goes way back to when I was in second standard. So that's what, like 7 years old, I guess.
Australia, India.
India. Yeah. So for context, my dad was in the Merchant Navy. Merchant Navy means you're on the ship for 6 months. You come back home for another 6 months. So you end up missing a lot of family events and whatnot. So that means that whenever they are back home, there's a lot of parties. So one of these days, we had a party at home, long night. And my brother and I were sent off to bed at a respectable time because kal to school thi hamari. Then parents have a long night, go to bed late. Mom wakes up in the morning because kids have to be sent to school, have to educate them as well. She wakes up, she's very tired.
Kids have to do higher education.
Yeah,
This is a story from
they
lower
have
education.
to. Yeah, so mom wakes up in the morning, she prepares our dabbas, wakes us up, sends us off to school, packs us off. She's like, I've had a great win today. Party all night, send the kids to school. I'm doing great, I'm acing my day. Now we follow us to school. My brother is 6 years elder to me, so he was in 8th standard. I was in 2nd standard. And I get to school and sometime during the day, earlier parts of the day itself, I get thirsty. So I bend down, take out my water bottle. I take one sip and I spit it back in. I was like, my water has gone bad. I have no idea what it is. I have no idea. I try one more sip. I'm like,
expiry
nahin.
date क्या है?
I'm literally looking at my bottle like, what happened? Because how can the water go bad? मैंने तो एक ही पानी पिया है लाइफ में. how is it tasting so different? And I'm thinking, is it that my bottle has broken off and something fair? I don't know. I don't know anything. So I just stay quiet. But I'm also a 7-year-old child who is thirsty. So, and I don't know where else to get water from.
ये कौन से स्कूल में जाते थे आप? हाँ, नल ही नहीं है यहाँ पर.
See,
नल से पानी क्यों पिए?
अबे जो भी नल ही होता है ना.
see, if I tell you the school, you'll say it makes a lot of sense. I was in symbiosis.
We should have guessed you're in Pune. So
What else? We didn't have any other.
Standard also.
Symbiosis has a it has a nursery school, primary school, and it has
उधर
everything.
मैटरनिटी वार्ड भी है. इधर बच्चे सीधा उधर ही पैदा होता है. मुबारक हो, आपको बेटी हुई है. इसको सिम्बायोसिस में डालना चाहेंगे आप?
So yeah, I am very thirsty. So I do what any other kid would do. I asked some other girl. I assumed she was my friend at that time. I was like, "Can I please have some water?"
I have a feeling that this friendship has ended.
Yeah,
Okay.
because that little 7-year-old bitch, she looks at me and she's like, points to my bottle and she's like, "Have your own water, na?" And then she says that to everyone else, and everyone's like, "Oh yeah. Like, why are you not drinking your water?"
This type of
ये
kid
क्या
exists.
रैगिंग है यार? Symbiosis, you need to up your ragging game.
नो ये मीन गर्ल सेकंड स्टैंडर्ड है लेकिन.
No, and also what a wonderful thing to be mean girl about. ना? ये तो पानी मांग रही है. Strange.
नहीं खुद का बॉटल होने के बावजूद पानी.
हाँ, still, but like what a thing
खत्म
to,
हो गया होगा ना, क्या पता?
thing to mock somebody about.
But that was too early in the morning also. But in Marathi there's a saying, okay, कि पाण्याला नाही नाही म्हणायचं. Which means पानी किसी ने मांगा पीने को तो you shouldn't say no, नहीं तो तुमको पाप लगता है. So I hope if she's watching this and something has gone wrong,
Say it to the camera.
you know who you
पानी है
are.
इसके पास.
बहुत
और
ज़्यादा.
higher education भी.
She's surrounded by water.
Exactly.
Nice one. हाँ.
Yeah, so then I just sat there thinking of ways of sourcing water. I thought I'm going to have to go all the way up to the 4th floor to find my brother, and hopefully he'd be my savior and whatnot. My brother, in the meanwhile, he also tries to drink the water, and something is wrong with that as well. But apparently, I was sick sometime during that month, so he thought that that's my medicine. And by mistake, my mom has put it in his bottle. So he was like least bothered, and I guess his friends were better than mine, so he didn't have any issues. Now, cut to back at our house. My dad wakes up, he goes to the kitchen to have his
Cut
tea.
to morning at your house.
Morning, yeah. पूरा दिन नहीं रखा हमको ऐसे. Yeah, he goes to have his tea, whatnot, goes to the kitchen counter, picks up a bottle, and he looks at it. He looks at my mom. He's like, "Why is this bottle empty?" And she's like, "Yeah, no, I just fill the kids' water bottles with water. Yeah, keep it. I will fill them when I'm filling the other bottles." And he's like, "Lady, stop what you're doing. We gotta go to school right now because that's not water, that's gin."
I like that he had attitude. Lady,
No.
stop what you're doing right now. Get out of that nightie. Because this is not a slow morning anymore.
Dramatized for effect. and
Wow.
that's it.
Wait. So she's put gin.
Yeah.
She has given us 2 water bottles full of raw 100% gin. No mixers, no ice, no nothing.
No mixers.
Just gin.
It'd be
एकदम तो
amazing.
courtesy कर दी थी
It'd be
ना, नीड दे
amazing.
दिया.
Bro, इसको टिफिन में चखना दिया है.
Yeah.
देखो.
Yes.
डब्बा खोला मसाला पापड़ चकली और सींग है. ये क्या आवाज है?
और फिर लंच ब्रेक में हरा भरा कबाब.
Yes.
ये दूसरे बच्चों से अभी मिक्सर मांग रही है. अरे तू इधर आ यार. अरे पानी वाला नहीं बोलते. बाकी दोस्त बोल रहे तू भी दे रहा है पानी वाला नहीं बोलते.
No, and her friends are like, she's not even got mixers. Chee. What the fuck? You
They
got
came running.
You got gin in your water
The
bottle.
school I
अगर
had,
सब लोग ने
they-
पी लिया होता, it would really be a high school. मजा आता सबको.
But also the teachers are smelling it.
टीचर बोला ये क्या है, ये सब लाने की चीज है.
ये लो मेरा बॉटल लो.
How tough is she finding second standard?
अरे वाह यार ये.
2 का टेबल इतना टफ है क्या बोलूं. 2 1 3 अबे 3 नहीं चुके 2. अरे यार देख.
It was a hard year, yes.
हाँ, then your parents.
That
But-
7-year-old bitch. साले पानी भी नहीं है मेरे को.
So, just to make you all understand what exactly happened, my mom is not just pouring gin in bottles every other day.
She's having it.
Yeah. So essentially, whenever a nice alcohol bottle would get emptied out, वो साफ करके उसमें पानी का
Classic.
drinking water is kept.
Yeah.
Now, someone at this party had no idea, and they took the gin bottle and they kept it where our water bottles are. Yeah. So my mom wakes up and she thinks that that's water, and she's pouring it, and she's also a little sleepy. So she's like, I was wondering why. She didn't drink much tabhi, or I don't know. Maybe that's when she stopped
That's
drinking.
what she told you. अरे खाने जगह. अरे जा शाळेत जा.
मम्मी मैं इधर हूँ. हाँ इधर.
उसके भाई को स्कर्ट पहना के भेज दे इसको.
उसके 2 छोटी है.
So did any
Yeah.
of the teachers find out this was happening? No.
Yeah, because they had to come to school,
So
right?
your parents came?
Yeah, yeah. My parents came to school, and they went to
टीचर
the
ऐसा
staff
कि
room.
बॉटल को मलो तो चिन निकलता है.
Yeah, they went to the staff room. They went to the principal's office, and apparently the principal's husband was also a merchant navy guy. So they tried to fully appeal to that.
And he's like,
side.
cheers.
मेरे साथ भी हुआ. No. Yeah, so they tried to fully appeal to her merchant navy side as well. That, as you know, these kind of things happen. No, like parties happen and this and that. And she's just like not budging. She's like, okay. And then she's like, okay, no, we have to call the kids to the staff room. So meanwhile, in the classroom, I'm still very tensed about this bottle because I don't know what's happening, and I think it's my fault somehow. And I think that, okay, if somebody finds out I'm going to get expelled, kuch to hone wala hai, it is my fault. So then the peon, the kaka, he comes to the classroom and he's talking to the teacher something. And I was like, I just know this is about me. I just know it. And then surely the teacher's like, Ritika, you're called to the principal's office. Now, second standard, I was a very good kid, never been sent to the principal's office or anything, didn't get into trouble. And suddenly principal's office, and everybody's looking at me like, oh my God, what did she do? Second standard में principal's office.
Shame.
And then I was like, shit, this is about the water. And yeah, they were like, take your water bottle and go.
She gets up to go to the principal's office and they're like, नहीं, bottle के साथ.
Bottle leke jao. But then I go to the staff room and I see my parents, I see the teachers, and like somebody comes running to me, takes my bottle, and they're like, are you okay? Did you drink water? Are you okay? And then I realized, okay, galti meri nahi hai. These two have screwed up somehow. It's not my fault. And then so I didn't like school. I didn't like going to school either. So
Like the gin, but
that was the only day I enjoyed. So I was like, okay, I see that this is some way I can get out of the school day. So they were like, did you drink anything? I'm like, yeah, I had like a couple of sips. And I'm like, yeah, my head is hurting a little bit. And they're like, okay, no, you go home. It's like, yes. But yeah, then we go back home. Afterwards, my dad takes both the bottles and he's pouring the gin back into his gin bottle. And my mom's like, wait, what? What are you doing? And he's like, I'm not going to let good gin go to waste. And he was like, I was half worried that, yeah, sure, the kids might have a sip or two, but I was half worried that they might just throw it down the drain. He's like,
Your
Yeah.
dad's priorities.
yeah, he loved his
बेटी
gin.
ठीक है लेकिन जिन.
Keep it going. morning and welcome on stage, Zerwan Bansha.
What up? Like on this fake meeting on stage and chill for like half an hour.
So you've probably seen him all over your Instagram nowadays.
Yes.
Yeah, bro.
I'm trending, baby.
And we just found out his name is not Bun.
Do you know what my name is?
They're paying attention.
Zarvan.
Zarwan.
Like water.
I'm so sorry. मैं तो जोर से बोल दिया सर.
People call me Mehrwan also, man. That's a racist.
That is a better nostalgic effect, no? Mehrwan, yaar.
They were patties. Right now, wedding season's going on, so funnily enough, I'm not just a content creator. I'm actually a wedding band singer. So
Wow.
I travel around with my sister. She does all that. So right now, that's just been us at different rich people's weddings in different places. And wow, guys, you've spent a lot of money, huh? Just not on the band. Really don't.
So Zerwan, tell us, you have a story for us?
Yeah. This story.
Okay, first, Makasam.
Oh, sorry. This story is true. So, this is to do. Firstly, I'm a doctor's son. This is very important to the story because have you all ever heard of this ailment called DDH, developmental dysplasia of the hip? Anyone?
Oh, I thought they
DDH,
delivered
I thought
couriers.
Basically, most of your hip joints are at an angle which helps you all move. My hip joint was literally straight, so it was grating into my. There's like this thing called a labrum. It's thoda boring. I'll just give you a context. Cutting into it, which is why I started feeling immense pain whenever I played football. So it wasn't because I sucked. It was just I played badly because of this surgery.
DDH. DDH.
DDH. Not because I sucked, even though I was always goalkeeper. And you know what that means. So when I got diagnosed with it, the first thing, the Dr. Asthana scene is where my father, looking at the X-ray, and his hands start to genuinely shake, and he was really worried. He's like, something has to be done. And I'm like, why the fuck would you say that in front of your patient? Like, I understand doctors are the worst. They're the worst with their kids. Actually, I've gone to my father with a broken fracture, and he's like, kuch nahi hua. You're fine. Why are you doing natak? So the thing is, we went to this doctor called Dr. Johari. Again, same thing. He looks at it and he's like, something needs to be done. I'm fucked. I'm like, I'm never going to be able to walk again or something like that. They later on tell me that this ailment happens. Basically, it's like a 3-tier system. One is it happens in firstborns, means that it was my mom's fault, obviously. It's a womb joke, guys. Womb joke. No? Oh, okay.
Please read the womb.
Second, it happens in Mediterranean. It happens in the Mediterranean climate, which we are definitely not a part of. And thirdly, it happens mainly in women. So my sister was tickled pink. She's like, I have an elder sister only. Meri to badi behan hai. Isliye. And what had happened was because of my problem, I had a habit of walking like this. And I couldn't help it, yeah. So my brother-in-law would be like, Arey chamiya, kaisi chal rahi hai? And I feel so bad. But I couldn't. It's called Trendelenburg's gait. You're learning new things today, huh?
Trendenberg?
Trendelenburg's gait.
Wow.
How old were you when this was diagnosed?
Post ICSE. So I was around 15. Very late. It was a very late diagnosis for this. And then.
So for all these years, you've been.
Yeah. I was actually. They used to call me Snow White in school because of that, for various other reasons also. But mainly because I used to walk like that. So if you actually see, I've got these really sexy hips, and whenever I put on weight, I get this sexy hourglass figure with a heavy chest. So it looks really, really nice.
Wait, so you had to do one side or both sides?
Both sides.
Otherwise, you're just like that.
For a bit, I was like this.
That's Amitabh Bachchan.
Amitabh. Amit ji ko DDH आ रहा भाई मेरा DDH. आ रहा मेरा hips.
Coolie was that only. They treated my body as that of a kid, because I was in the minor ward. So they were diagnosed. So what had happened was post-surgery, when you come out, they don't start your epidural. Or mera pura leg kata tha. It was like somebody had ridden an entire car over my leg. Yeah. It was painful, and they didn't start it. They wanted me to tell them कि मुझे दर्द हो रहा है. So, and the worst part is when I am in pain, I laugh. This Afro-English doctor there was this white doctor. They were both standing over me, and they were like, "Hey, hello, how are you doing?" And I'm like, I am in so much fucking pain, you assholes. I fucking dog. And they're like, okay, we need to start the epidural now. Oh, poor thing, he's in pain. Guys, how many of y'all are, can't take graphic content? I don't give a fuck. Anyway, it's great. Just cover your ears, man.
There's one poor lady.
I'm so sorry.
What
And
lady?
then my entrails came out. No.
वो 15 मिनट से नॉइस कैंसिलेशन हेडफोन पहन के बैठे हैं।
Oh shit. Okay. Just this part. Just this one part. Actually.
Listen, if you wear it, then he will describe it. Then you have to wear chashma also.
This is hilarious. This is so funny. We have a person with noise cancelling headphones
Camera.
on in the middle of our show. This is so crazy.
I'm sorry.
I'm so sorry.
Why are you sorry?
What have you done, Zarwan?
I did this.
Those are straight up noise cancellation headphones.
The problem was that I'd lost around 2/3 of my body weight in blood. So I had turned completely white. My lips had turned blue.
And then they gave you a British passport.
That was just because I was Parsi. They were like, "Arey, तुम लोग ने नहीं चाटा है हमारा, come on."
Wait, so how when you lose in the surgery you lose that much blood?
You do, because of the fact that it was a massive surgery. So because of the gash, because of how vascular your thighs are, especially mine.
उसको क्या समझ आ रहा होगा यहाँ पे?
You know, and the thing is, she's seeing.
At the end of his story, you will take out and then tell us what you understood from the whole thing. Okay?
So
Amazing.
So I'd lost a lot of blood, and because of which I was.
Thank you for giving us the thumbnail, bro.
Basically, I was very close to getting a heart attack. I had a fever of 105. Basically, my body was reacting negatively to it, and I was actually dying on that in the operation in the room. Now, I was like, you know what, bichara, my parents are feeling so depressed and all. Maybe I'll lighten up the mood. So I'll make a joke. You know, normally rooms have these very bright lights right on top of that. But it was on because it was towards the evening. So I'm like, Mama, Dada, I want to tell you something. And obviously they were very concerned. And very loving Parsi parents, both of them are over. My father obviously is feeling so helpless because, being an orthopedic surgeon, he couldn't do anything. He couldn't. Yeah, it sucks. I could see Asthana over there. So I look up and I'm like, Mommy, Daddy, I think I can see the light right now. And I start doing this. They're very sweet people. They're very polite people. They're the opposite of me. That I remember. It was the 11th of September, Stanmore Hospital. This was Wing E. A loud sound is heard from room number 5. It starts with Gujarati. It moves to Hindi, Marathi, comes back to English. That's when a Welsh nurse comes in and then she's really upset. She's like, what's happening? Why are you all swearing so loudly? He's like, I bhado manas! I chutyo! Khel chodani gan! I subolas tamune khabar chhe tu! Losing.
And even the Welsh lady is like, अरे ना समझा मेरा भागेगा ही नहीं. એને कुछ આવડે જ નથી. કેરમ રમવાનું, જ્યુસ પીવાનું, મજાની લાઈફ.
She enters, she starts swearing at me in Welsh, and I don't even understand Welsh. I have 3 and I'm just like, I was trying to uplift the mood, I was trying to make things better. Cut to, I have come back home, we've recovered. Now what has happened is, there were like these implants in my feet. And
her headphones are off.
wait, I was walking on Marine Drive and I was with a very close female friend of mine, and she suggested, and obviously she was blessed by God. And we were
She was a tachycardian.
it was, it's very important to the story. We're walking down Marine Drive and she's like, why don't we go from Intercontinental all the way down to the Marine Line station? So I turn around to her and I'm like, Avni, excuse me, do you have implants? And then she looks at me and she's like, fuck off, Zed, shut up. And she walks away. I was like, अरे नहीं यार, auntie, मारा implants यहाँ छे, तुम्हारा क्या छे यार? What implants would I be talking about? And she got really. It was a very tough time for me to explain to people what implants were, as you are saying. I go home now. This is very important to say because I go home and when I turn, I suddenly felt this pop inside my leg. So I was like, whatever, maybe like sometimes it's just that click or clack of a bone. I walk to the toilet, I sit down and I'm on my phone. I sit down. Once I get up, suddenly when I get up, my right leg is 3 times the size of my left leg. It's fugaud, and I walked into my hall, and then I'm just like, Dada! Dad! Daddy! And he enters. This is the only time in my life I have seen my father switch off. He is the most on doctor on this. He's one of the best orthopedic surgeons in Bombay, if I can say so myself.
Yeah.
Dr. Bansha, guys. Jamshed. Woo! Bridge Candy! Parsi Chandra! He switches off to where my uncle comes in. He takes his keys saying that, you're not driving him. I'm just like, is everybody just not functioning right now because of love? This is the worst kind of family that I have. I really need someone to take me to the hospital right now. We go in an ambulance. Mumbai roads. And once again, what did I tell you all about pain? I laugh when I'm in pain. So the entire ride, this ambulance guy sitting next to me, and he's like, it's okay, and I'm just like,
इसको लग रहा है इसको चर्च लेके जाओ चर्च.
वो इसको देख रहे हैं बोलते हैं, अरे वॉकिन फिनिक्स आप यहाँ?
फादर इसको पोजेशन हो गया है. खाली पैर में है भूत.
went, recovered, and ever since then, I have just always walked like this a little bit, and like people always make fun of me, and like I can't do fashion shows.
Oh, so that's why you're Bansha. वापस डाल.
I have to take the implants out. That's where my father took them out, obviously, but this was because of this entire bleeding thing. What had happened is there had been a collection of blood. Good, she's so completely checked out of this show only.
She's on Instagram. She's like,
उधर भी बंचा ही है. Fuck.
when Bansha stops his story, you all got the reference, no? Thanks. Fucking oldie. He basically had to clean up my wound. Now, my father had to touch my bone with a piece of gauze. Your bones also have nerve endings, by the way, guys. You can feel it when somebody's touching your bone. It is the most violating experience of my life. And I've been pegged before. So now the problem was that my father had to call a senior surgeon with him to stand in the room. And all I could hear was, come on, Jamshed. Come on, you are a doctor. Just don't look at him like your son. He's a patient. Come on, touch him. Touch him. Come on, clean it. Clean the blood from him. Come on, touch it. Come on, enough now, Jamshed.
मैं डॉक्टर है, जिम ट्रेनर है, बेंचो.
That's it from this episode of Makasam. New episodes drop every Friday. We'd love to hear your unbelievable stories, so mail them in at tismakasam@gmail.com.